this is Ieasha of Decor and Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back. Well, today I am about to go and decorate for a birthday party. So my client reached out to me to decorate for an LOL birthday party at a trampoline park that we have here. So I'm about to go do that. It's to do balloons and a backdrop. So I wanted to take y'all along with us while we go and set up. Alright, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Decor and Designs by Ieasha family. Alright. Alright everyone, so we are here decorating for the LOL birthday party. And like I said again, this is a trampoline park. The event was supposed to start early, but we got a late start due to some conflict in the schedule. So we only have less than 15 minutes to go ahead and put up the backdrop, the balloons, and as you see, I am one of the balloons. We went ahead and did the table also. So I thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You got something already?